Compact cooking appliances make everyday meals faster, healthier, and easier for small households seeking convenience and efficiency today. Best small air fryer for 2 people delivers crispy results, compact design, energy savings, quick meals, perfect kitchen companion, everyday use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja DZ201 2-People Small Air Fryer. The Ninja DZ201 is designed for users who want flexibility and speed in small batch cooking without sacrificing performance. Its standout feature is the dual independent basket system, allowing 2 different foods to be cooked at the same time with separate temperatures, timers, and settings. This is especially useful for a 2-person household where preferences often differ, such as cooking chicken in one basket while preparing vegetables or fries in the other. The dual zone technology adds another layer of convenience with Smart Finish, which syncs both baskets so different foods finish cooking simultaneously, and Match Cook, which duplicates settings across both zones for larger or uniform meals. With 6-in-1 functionality, air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, it covers most everyday cooking needs without requiring multiple appliances. The 8-quart total capacity is generous for its category, giving enough space for meal prepping or cooking mains and sides together. Each basket operates with its own heating system and fan. Number 2. Cosori Reheat 2-People Small Air Fryer. The Cosori Reheat air fryer is built around speed, precision, and improved airflow performance, making it a strong option for small households focused on quick, consistent meals. It uses TurboBlaze technology, which drives a high-speed fan system designed to circulate heat efficiently, producing crispy textures while keeping food moist inside. With temperature control reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it offers a wide cooking range suitable for everything from reheating leftovers to cooking proteins and frozen snacks. The multi-speed fan system improves heat distribution, helping reduce uneven cooking and ensuring a more consistent texture across different types of food. One of its practical advantages is the PFAS-free ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray, which improves food release and simplifies cleaning while supporting a more durable non-stick surface compared to standard coatings. The 6-quart square basket design maximizes usable cooking space while maintaining a compact footprint, making it suitable for kitchens with limited counter area. It also operates at a relatively low noise level even at higher speeds.
Number 3. Ninja 400 degrees Fahrenheit 2-People Small Air Fryer. The Ninja 400 degrees Fahrenheit air fryer is a compact, functional appliance focused on straightforward cooking performance with reliable results. It offers a 4-in-1 system that includes air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate functions, covering essential everyday cooking tasks without unnecessary complexity. Its temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows both low-temperature dehydration and high-heat crisping, making it versatile enough for snacks, main meals, and reheated leftovers. One of its key strengths is its ability to produce crispy textures with significantly less oil, making it a practical option for users aiming to reduce fat intake while still enjoying fried-style foods. The 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket is well-suited for 2 people, comfortably handling portions like chicken, fries, vegetables, or small baked dishes. The crisper plate improves airflow beneath food, helping achieve more even browning. The dehydration function adds extra value by allowing users to create dried fruits or snacks at home, expanding its usefulness beyond standard frying tasks. Number 4. Chefman Basket 2-People Small Air Fryer. The Chefman Basket Air Fryer is designed for compact kitchens where simplicity, speed, and space efficiency are priorities. Its 4-quart capacity is well matched for 2 people, offering enough room to prepare main dishes and sides without requiring multiple cooking cycles. One of its most useful features is the digital touchscreen interface, which allows precise control over cooking time and temperature, along with preset functions that simplify common cooking tasks.
tasks. It also includes a high heat boost mode, reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is particularly effective for achieving a crisp, golden finish on foods like fries, chicken tenders, and frozen snacks during the final stages of cooking. The design is slim and space-conscious, making it suitable for countertops with limited room or easy storage when not in use. A built-in viewing window adds practical value by allowing users to monitor cooking progress without opening the basket and disrupting heat circulation. This helps maintain consistent temperature and improves cooking accuracy. The shake reminder system enhances results by prompting users to redistribute food mid-cook. Number 5. Cosori 450 degree Fahrenheit 2-people small air fryer. The Cosori 450 degree air fryer is built around ease of use, speed, and balanced cooking performance, making it suitable for users who want consistent results without complicated controls. It features 7 preset cooking functions, allowing quick selection for common foods such as fries, chicken, vegetables, and reheating tasks. This makes it accessible even for users with little or no air fryer experience. One of its strongest performance aspects is its ability to reach 450 degrees Fahrenheit, enabling fast cooking times and crisp textures while reducing overall meal preparation time. The wide temperature control also supports flexible cooking styles, from gentle warming to high heat frying. The 5-quart square basket design provides efficient use of space, allowing full meals to be prepared in a single batch, which is ideal for a 2-person household. The non-stick ceramic coating helps prevent food from sticking and improves cleaning efficiency, especially when dealing with greasy or high-moisture foods. Dishwasher-safe components further simplify maintenance.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.